Being a lawyer is harder than being a doctor when you are, or being a pilot.
I'm not sure why we're comparing professions, and I'm not sure where he's going with this, but let's hear him out.
You don't have an opponent, right? You don't have somebody who's trying to make the plane crash. You don't have somebody who's trying to run you into the mountain. When you're a doctor, same thing. You've got the human body that you're very delicately operating on, and you're making very precise incisions and doing things just by the book.
Okay, let's pause that for a second. The idea that we just follow a textbook or we just do this cookie cutter or recipe medicine, that sounds nice. It sounds really simple, but no single patient is ever the same. No cardiac arrest is ever the same. No surgery is ever the same. People, unfortunately, don't read the textbook before they decide to get sick or get cancer.
As a lawyer, you make detailed plans. You spend all week, all month preparing to cross-examine somebody, preparing to get into the right frame of mind, to get the witness where you want them to go, to get the jury exactly in the palm of your hands, just going with you with every single sentence, every single heartbeat. And then once you have it all done and everything is right there and you're about to be Tom Cruise getting the guy to admit to the code red, somebody stands up and says, "Objection!" And there's nobody objecting in the ER room.
There's no one to object in the ER. There are patients who are objecting. There's their pathophysiology who's objecting. You have an interdisciplinary team, and some team members may be objecting with the best pathway forward, right? In an emergency situation, you actually may have conflict with those team members. And guess what? You don't get a recess to pause and think about the plan going forward. You don't get a reset. You don't get a mistrial. It's one shot. And if you don't get it right, people die.
Nobody that's grabbing the control panels and objecting to what the pilot's doing. And so that's why being a lawyer is harder, is because you actually have somebody who is trying to make you fail at every single turn and every single moment. So yeah, being a lawyer is harder.
It's not about which job is harder. I know there are lawyers out there that are working 70, 80, 90 hours a week or even more. They're really grinding, right? That's very stressful. That's very hard. At the end of the day, I think there's an emotional toll that being a physician has on you. Telling a son and a daughter that their mother's not going to make it, that's something that lives with you. Also understand that lawyers will also deal with very traumatic issues and essay cases, things that are so traumatic, and the stories they hear are awful. But let's all work together and let's stop comparing, because honestly, they're both pretty hard.